Y'all, my package about to be here. I hope it's what I'm hoping for. Yes, they. Let's go get my package. It's cold as fuck. It's cold outside. Thank you. I got my package, y'all. I hope it's what I hope it is. Hey guys, so I'm doing RPG hair. DHL. Is period. It's bleached. Oh my gosh, look at this. Details, mom. Get into the details, mom. Details, mom. Oh, and it come the only way I want to wear it. I already. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my freaking gosh, and it's already long as hell how I wanted it. Oh, I love this. 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 This would be a wig I wear to work because I am a cashier and I be getting hot. So I'm this freaking wig. I'm in love. It looks like it can be my hair. I don't have to pluck anything. Let me get into detail so y'all can see. They did better than what I would have did. I'm just like sitting and shedding. One little hair right there. No shedding really. Oh my god, I will not wear this hair to the gym or anything. I am in love. It's a 360, so I guess it's like tracks in the middle. I want the full, but I couldn't find no full, so. The wig has one right here, a comb right here, and a big old comb right here, and it has elastic bands. I would try to put them together, but let me see. I gotta go to an appointment, so I want to look good. So I'm glad this came right when I needed it. Hopefully I don't have to put any glue, because I'm not trying to put no glue right now. If I do, I'm gonna be so sad. But this is a medium lace, and my head is really big, so I mean, it's not really big. There's no wind outside. I just want to come get a quick review for this wig, but this density though, this is 180 density, and it feels so good. It feels like it could be my hair. It's 22 inches, so it's really long. I want to get really long. I'm 5'5", so I love this hair. I love everything about it. RPG did that. Like, y'all gonna see the unboxing. They did that. Now to cut off the lace, it was a bit hard because I never cut off a 360 lace, but it was so good. I wish it was a full lace. I would have got it, but it's bomb. I look very professional. Yeah. The parting is really good. I got the one that came bleached and pre-plucked, so the parting is really good, and it came with the middle part already, so I was like, yes, thank you, because that's the only way I wear my hair. And it came straight. Usually companies will send their hair and it will be like, you know, curled, and then you have to straighten it. No, this stuff came straight, and I had to go out for an appointment, so all I got to do was cut the lace and wear it out. So look in the link in my description box to get your wig. It's very affordable.